Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an LIS student at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. Have you ever wanted to start your own business in Hawaii but don't know how to legally get started? It can seem daunting at first, but this video will help you learn how to file the correct paperwork using the Hawai'i Business Express, a helpful online portal so that you can concentrate on the more important parts, running your business. To begin with, you're going to need to decide in what legal structure your new business will operate. The Business Action Center has some information, but you might want to consider seeking professional legal advice. This video will show you how to register your business as a sole proprietor, but other legal structures can be filed the same way. You will need the following information, so you might want to gather it ahead of time. The name of the sole proprietor, that's probably you. The business owner's social security number, the business name, the address of the business phone number, accounting method, either calendar or fiscal year, and disability exemption if required. From the hawaii.gov landing page, navigate to the Government Directory, then to the Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs Business Registration. From here, we can find the link for Register a Business Online. Now click Start to get started. At this point, you will either need to sign in to an existing ehawaii.gov account or start a new one with your email address. This same login can be used on other hawaii.gov websites, like reserving some camping permits or accessing professional vocational licensing portal and more. After you log in, you can start filling in the form. As you make selections, additional questions will populate when relevant. I have chosen sole proprietor as a legal structure because this can be a good choice for low-risk businesses to test out their business before creating something more complicated, but other structures can be chosen using the same method. If you want to file a trade name, the portal conveniently populates the correct forms for you to fill out. You can always click on the Tell Me More links for more clarity. At the end of each section, the form is saved as a draft. You can go to My Dashboard to return to partially completed forms. There are external links for Federal Employer Identification Number, or FEIN, which you will need if you require a state taxpayer ID with the Hawaii Department of Taxation, as well as a link to the U.S. Census Bureau to help you choose which business classification your business falls under. Once you have filled out all the required forms and you verify that your information is correct, review the fees that you will be charged. Then you can pay online with a credit card. The portal offers estimated times for approval for filed names since the Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs still needs to approve this. You can also separately file a trademark image through the portal, in which case you will need an image file of the design and an example of the design being used on a product. The Hawai'i Business Express makes it simple, guiding you through the forms that you need to file everything from the BB1 tax license, trade name info, accounting info, and more, and allows you to set up reminders for filing deadlines in the future. Some other helpful resources include www.sba.gov, the official United States Small Business Administration. Hawaii also has its own Small Business Development Center, a valuable resource that provides business advice, training, and research for small business owners in the state. I hope this video helped you get started with the Hawai'i Business Express, the online portal that helps you set up and manage your small business in Hawaii.